Well, hi, this is Mike Ellis with GTR, and I lead a recruiting firm. We're focused exclusively in power. We do power delivery, engineering, and leadership roles all across the country. And so today I wanted to bring to you an opportunity in which we're looking for a distribution planning engineer. This is for a consulting engineering firm that has offices all across the United States and is looking for someone specifically to be located in Raleigh, North Carolina. This individual would have at least 5 years electric utility experience, have a EE degree, a PE would be preferred, and has experience with the software tools either SIME or Synergy. So if you or someone you know has that experience and would have an interest in this role, please send your resume or referrals to mike@globaltalentnow.com. Thank you and take care.